Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will create dynamic dependent drop-down lists, as we have list of team along with members. Each team has list of members. Here, we simply need to select team from drop-down lists, and we will get the members from each list. Additionally, we don't need to type team name. We only need to select from given list. This is what we will learn in this short example. But before that, you are requested to subscribe our channel to show your support. Let's start our example to create dependent drop-down lists. First, we have list of teams along with list of members in each team. Either we can type team name manually, but we need to create drop-down lists. So we select the cell and go on Data tab. Click on Data Validation option. Now, choose List option. In the source column, select team name. Now, test our drop-down list function. Now, we move to our second function. To get members list, we use simple formula. Use here indirect formula. Now, select team name cell. But we need to make sure that team name should be same. Name and heading should be matched. Now, we can test our both functions. We only need to select team name. Now, we can test by changing team name. Now, if I change team name, you will find it in drop-down list. But if we rename heading as same, it will not work accordingly, because we need to define it before using the technique. In this way, we have created drop-down list function using simple technique. If you face any issue, please type in our comments section to get response.